हेलो एवरीवन, लर्न इंग्लिश विद हिंदी बाय मंसूर अली। इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे मेक सेंटेंसेस के बारे में, यानी सेंटेंसेस कैसे बनाए जाते हैं। प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर दें। नंबर 1 पर है एब्सेंट फ्रॉम। इससे अगर हमें सेंटेंस बनाना हो तो आपके सामने स्क्रीन पर हैं। नंबर 1, एब्सेंट फ्रॉम। ही वॉज एब्सेंट फ्रॉम द क्लास यस्टरडे। ही वॉज एब्सेंट फ्रॉम द क्लास यस्टरडे। नंबर 2, एक्सीडेड टू। He acceded to my request. He acceded to my request. नंबर 3, according to। यूज़ देखिए सेंटेंस में। He works according to my advice. He works according to my advice. नंबर 4, act upon। We should act upon his advice. We should act upon his advice. Number 5, accused of। She has been accused of murder. She has been accused of murder. Number 6, afraid of। He is afraid of dogs. He is afraid of dogs. Number 7, affection for। Parents have great affection for their children. यहाँ पर for गलती से 2 बार लिखा गया है, ये एक ही बार यूज़ होगा यहाँ पर। Parents have great affection for their children. Number 8, adapt to। We should adapt ourselves to the changing conditions. We should adapt ourselves to the changing conditions. Number 9, agree with। Use I agree with you. I agree with you. Number 10, angry with। यूज़ देखिए सेंटेंस में। He was angry with me. He was angry with me. Number 11, agree to। इसको यूज़ करेंगे। The teacher agreed to my proposal. The teacher agreed to my proposal. Number 12, angry at। I am angry at his behavior. I am angry at his behavior. Number 13, apply for। He applied for the post of a clerk. He applied for the post of a clerk. Number 14, apply to। He applied to the manager. He applied to the manager. Number 15, arrive at। The train has arrived at the station. The train has arrived at the station. अब देखिए नंबर 16, ashamed of। यूज़ देखिए इंग्लिश में। He is ashamed of his behavior. He is ashamed of his behavior. Number 17, ask for। I asked my friend for some money. I asked my friend for some money. Number 18, believe in। We should believe in God. We should believe in God. Number 19, belong to। This book belongs to me. This book belongs to me. Number 20, blame for। He blames Raju for his carelessness. He blames Raju for his carelessness. Number 21, blind of। He is blind of the right eye. He is blind of the right eye. Number 22, blind to। He is blind to his own faults. He is blind to his own faults. Number 23, born of। I was born of rich parents. I was born of rich parents. Number 24, born in। She was born in America. She was born in America. Number 25, I am busy with my work. I am busy with my work. Busy with का यूज़ किया गया है इस सेंटेंस में। Number 26, boast of। He boasts of his knowledge. He boasts of his knowledge. Number 27, break into। The thief broke into the house. The thief broke into the house. यहाँ पर ब्रेक की जगह ब्रोक यूज़ किया गया क्योंकि सेंटेंस पास्ट का है। नंबर 28, केयर फॉर एज अ वर्ब यूज़ करेंगे इसको। ही डज़ नॉट केयर फॉर मी, ही डज़ नॉट केयर फॉर मी। नंबर 29, केयर ऑफ एज अ नाउन यूज़ करेंगे। यू मस्ट टेक केयर ऑफ़ योर हेल्थ, यू मस्ट टेक केयर ऑफ़ योर हेल्थ। नंबर 30, सर्टेन ऑफ, आई एम सर्टेन ऑफ माई सक्सेस, I am certain of my success. Number 31, conscious of, he is fully conscious of his weakness, he is fully conscious of his weakness. Number 32, careful about, we should be careful about our health, we should be careful about our health. Number 33, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट ऑन, यूज़ देखिए सेंटेंस में। ही कॉन्ग्रेचुलेटेड मी ऑन माई सक्सेस, ही कॉन्ग्रेचुलेटेड मी ऑन माई सक्सेस। नंबर 34, चार्ज अगेंस्ट, देयर इज़ नो चार्ज अगेंस्ट योर ब्रदर, देयर इज़ नो चार्ज अगेंस्ट योर ब्रदर। नंबर 35, चार्ज विद, द पुलिस चार्ज्ड योर सन विद थेफ्ट, the police charged your son with theft. Number 36, cure of, generally there is no cure of cancer, generally there is no cure of cancer. Number 37, died of, he died of cancer, he died of cancer. Number 38, deal in, I deal in silk cloths, I deal in silk cloths. Number 39, deal with, it is a pleasure to deal with him, it is a pleasure to deal with him. Number 40, desire for, he has no desire for worldly things, he has no desire for worldly things. Number 41, devote to, we should devote ourselves to our studies, we should devote ourselves to our studies. Number 42, differ with, I differ with you on this subject, I differ with you on this subject. Number 43, depend on, he will depend on me, he will depend on me. Number 44, different from, my opinion is different from yours, my opinion is different from yours. Number 45, eligible for, he is eligible for this post, he is eligible for this post. Number 46, expert in, she is expert in singing, she is expert in singing. Number 47, envious of, I am not envious of your promotion, I am not envious of your promotion. Number 48, feed on, we feed on rice, we feed on rice. Number 49, faithful to, we should be faithful to our friends, we should be faithful to our friends. Number 50, fond of, I am fond of reading books, I am fond of reading books. Number 51, full of, the glass is full of water, the glass is full of water. Number 52, filled with, his eyes were filled with tears, his eyes were filled with tears. Number 53, free from, I am free from worry, I am free from worry. Number 54, famous for, Kashmir is famous for its beauty, Kashmir is famous for its beauty. Number 55, ग्रेटफुल टू फॉर एनी पर्सन यूज़ करेंगे आई एम ग्रेटफुल टू हिम, आई एम ग्रेटफुल टू हिम। नंबर 56 गिल्टी ऑफ, यू आर गिल्टी ऑफ थेफ्ट, यू आर गिल्टी ऑफ थेफ्ट। नंबर 57 होप फॉर, आई होप फॉर हिज ग्रांड सक्सेस, आई होप फॉर हिज ग्रांड सक्सेस। नंबर 58 inferior to, your table is inferior to my table, your table is inferior to my table। Number 59 invite to, I was not invited to dinner, I was not invited to dinner। Number 60 grateful for, इसका जो यूज़ करेंगे वो वर्क के लिए करेंगे, जैसे आई एम ग्रेटफुल टू हिम फॉर हिज हेल्प, आई एम ग्रेटफुल टू हिम फॉर हिज हेल्प। प्लीज़ स्टूडेंट्स एंड फ्रेंड्स वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर करें। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।